Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a stock analysis of Samsara Incorporated. Now, as you can see recently, it has had a huge run, rising 17.4% on the day of the earnings, the 4th of September. As you can see right here, they performed like crazy, up by 65% in the earnings and 5.17% in the revenue. Now, if we take a bit of a broader perspective on Samsara, as you can see, it has had a bit of a showing recently. As you can see, from February, it was all the way up in 61, and it fell all the way down here to about 31, which is about half price compared to earlier. But ever since then, it has increased quite nicely. Now, as you can see also in the RSI, it is up here in overbought at the moment after the earnings, which is quite interesting to see. And let's see if they continue to stay up here, because as you can see in the pre-market, it is also up by 0.62%. Now, the RSI, if you don't know what that is the relative strength index. So something that's between 70 and 50, it's in the upper channel, meaning the stock is trading upwards. And if it's up here in overbought, that means there's a lot of buyers in the market at the moment, showing it's rising rapidly. And that is interesting because it is still rising in the pre-market. Now, if it's between 50 and 30, as you can see right here, where it's falling, that means it's in the lower channel, meaning there are more sellers than buyers. And when it's down here in oversold, as you can see like right here, means it's falling rapidly. Now, I do like Samsara quite a lot. I think their sensor technology is absolutely amazing. Now, the market cap of this company is relatively small. It is only 23.9 billion USD. And the beta on this company, however, is quite large. As you can see, it's 1.96, meaning that it is 96% more volatile than the average index which it lies in. Now, however, the earnings, it is increasing more and more and more, and I do think that is because, of course, we do need more sensors in the world. Now, they don't pay out any dividends at all, and that is simply because, of course, they don't make any real money yet, and that is because, of course, they're still negative in net income. But they are increasing the revenue more and more and more, and that is what we absolutely want to see. And I do believe in the future they're going to be quite profitable. As you can see here, how do they make their money? As you can see, it is in subscriptions and others. Now, subscription, that is when you buy their sensors, because you also need to buy a subscription from them because to make the sensor keep running. Now, they're absolutely huge in the United States, but they're also expanding to other countries, which we love to see. As you can see right here, because it says others, this means it is quite a lot of countries and not a single one. Now, let's say if it was England and it was $200 million, but then it would say others and England. But currently it is other, which is also great to see because this means there is quite a lot of markets they're expanding to. And the overview of the stock, as you can see, they have quite a lot of free shares and not that many closely held shares, which is something that we love to see. And they have virtually no debt at all. They have $77 million in debt and $700 million in cash, which is absolutely amazing to see. As you can see, the PS of this is up and down quite a lot. As you can see, we are quite high in the price of sale as currently compared to 2022. Now, if you go down here, as you can see for the seasons for the stock, as you can see, it has only been on the stock exchange for 4 years, but overall it is had some ups and downs. As you can see, 2023 up by 180% and 2022 down by 54%. Now, this year alone, we have both been up. As you can see right here, we've been up by quite a lot. We've been up by 30%, and now we're down by 4%. As you can see, as I said about the beta, it is quite a volatile stock, but I do believe in the future this is going to be a great stock to own. Now, the technicals for the stock, as you can see, for the day, it's a buy. For the month, it is still a buy, and I do think that's because it is increasing more and more and more. And the next proper support breakthrough point is right around up here, as you can see, right around here. If we can break through this about 46, as you can see, then hopefully it is going to continue upwards, because then it would be these peaks right around here at 56. So if we can break through this right up here, to say where the stock is going to end. So it would be about something like that. It's where it's going to break through. Of course, if it's going to be tomorrow or in a month, who am I to say? Now, if we go down to the analyst rating on this, as you can see, they're absolutely amazing. We have 22 analysts on it. We have 14 strong buy, 1 buy, and 7 hold. But overall, I just think it's going to be absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at this EPS they're estimating, and they're reporting more and more than they're estimating. Just look at this, absolutely amazing. Now, as you can see, their estimators make more and more money, and I do believe they're going to be profitable in about 2025 or 2026. Now, the annual revenue on this, as you can see, it is also just increasing more and more and more and more, which is something that we love to see. So I personally do think that 60 to 70 bucks is actually not even unlikely in my opinion. I do think it's going to be crazy in the future. So I do think absolutely it's going to be a strong buy for me. Now, if you like this video, as I said, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember, this isn't financial advice. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. But if you want to see more videos like this, please leave the company's to analyze in the comment section below.